Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, you will be needing just to follow the steps that or that you use when like removing any other software on your computer. So you will be needing just to go to the start menu. So from here, you will be needing just to search for apps and features, and from there you will be needing just to search for the application. So for example, if you have uh, your Microsoft's products that are from or that are using separately, you can search for example for Word, and you click on it and then you go to uninstall. In my case, I have like a bundle of the apps. So it's a Microsoft apps for enterprise. And basically, you will be able to do it by clicking on uninstall. You click on uninstall and then you click on yes. Now you will be needing just to confirm it that you want to uninstall and that it will remove all the Microsoft applications in my case, and they will be removed, and also all the programs and file from my computer. So in my case, I'm just going to click on close since I don't want to uh, remove my Office. Otherwise, if you want like to take off your subscription or to cancel your subscription, you will be able to do it by clicking on your profile or your account manager from Microsoft. You go to my Microsoft account, and from there you will be needing to go to subscriptions. So in the subscriptions, you will be able to find all your subscriptions, and then you will be able to unsubscribe from your subscriptions. So here I have my subscriptions and they are expired. But in your case, if you had already like your subscription that is valid, you can go to manage and then you can cancel it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.